Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't talk saying belle dey sweet am wella, say Nigeria people don't dey grow wetin dem dey chop and chop wetin dem dey grow. Presido yarn this one for the inauguration of Dama rice mill for Katsina state. This rice mill wey ogbonge elder statesman Dahiru Manga get na to help ginger the agric revolution of Presido Buhari administration. This rice mill fit produce 400 bags of 50 kg rice per day, con still produce 100,000 direct and indirect jobs. President Muhammadu Buhari constantly inaugurated the Meteorological Institute of Science and Technology, Katsina. This institute, when NIMET, established not to research on top climate change matter. Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika talks say this institute now Bonga Institute.
Institute was on purpose created, to be able to monitor climate change and weather activities. It's something that is new in this part of the world, but as novel as it is, the impact is great. And what they do here is being transmitted live, onto our servers in Abuja, and then we also transmit it to the world. Quite often, we get the data and the information earlier than any part of the world sometimes. We monitored even hurricanes as far as America. So what NIMET is doing really is unprecedented, since the coming of President Muhammadu Buhari.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving a politician on election day.